Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can show charging information on Android phone so we don't need to turn on our screen to get the charging state information. And just for your information, here I'm using Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. So this tutorial is especially for Samsung users, but I hope the steps will be similar with other Android version. Okay, now let's get into it. First of all, we need to go to our settings application. And after we have this settings application opened, we can go to the display setting. Okay, this one. And you need to scroll down until you find the show charging information right here. You just need to click on the toggle button to activate this show charging information feature. Okay, and you can read the description right here. Show battery level and estimated time until full when always on display is off or not shown. Okay, and I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm going to connect my phone with my charger. Wait, guys. I'm going to connect it. Okay, now my phone is being charged, and I'm going to turn my screen off. Okay, and this is how it looks. As you can see that we don't need to wake up the phone to get the information or the charging information. Alright guys, and that's how we can show charging information on Android phone, especially on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.